This is Scott at Recreation RV, and today I'd like to show you our 2005 Forest River Sunseeker. It's a 31-foot Class C motorhome with a slide. The slide is in the living area. A lot of nice storage underneath on this coach. The driver's side here is your dump station and your fuel, your outside shower. There is also a large pass-through storage in the rear. Your access ladder and a rear view camera on the back, along with a window for the bedroom. Large awning, along with more storage down below, along with your refrigerator access, your hot water heater. Let's go inside. This unit does only have 24,000 miles on it. And instead of having the overhead bed, it has a large entertainment center. Lots of nice storage above in the slide, along with your booth and your couch. This unit will sleep 6. Across from the couch there's a nice chair, along with storage above. Moving into your kitchen area, you've got your grill top along with your oven, hood, and your microwave. Nice big fridge in this unit. Moving back to your left is your shower with the skylight, and across from that is your bathroom, which includes your sink, your toilet, a large storage cabinet above, medicine cabinet, and of course your vanity underneath. The bedroom in this unit has a queen-size bed, along with hanging storage next to it with a nightstand, storage above, and a large closet on the other side with drawers. Storage under the bed. This coach does come with an Arctic pack on it, with information about this or any other coach we have on the lot. Please call us at 888-958-7848. or you can visit us at recreationrvsales.com. Remember, at Recreation RV Sales, your fun is our business.